There are lots of issues that we all need to resolve, talk more about, give more thought to. But mindfulness is a way to look at them, acknowledge them, but allow ourselves to keep the distress at bay. Allow ourselves to just watch them. When we do mindfulness practice, our thoughts are better tolerated because we just look at them without engaging with, oh, that's such a terrible thought. I'm going to read from a mindfulness meditation script. This is going to take me about 10-15 minutes. Just find a comfortable place to sit and close your eyes. And we're going to try to remain super aware of everything that's happening. And remember, what we're trying to do is a sort of detached awareness. We're just watching. We're watching everything happening inside of us. To begin with the practice of meditation, set aside a time and place where you will not be interrupted. Settle into a comfortable sitting position on a straight back chair. So not too comfortable, preferably not lying down in a bed. On a chair, but still comfortable. Place your feet flat on the floor with your legs uncrossed and gently close your eyes. As you sit here, just bring your attention to the fact that you are breathing. Be aware of the movement of the breath as it goes in and comes out of your body. We're not manipulating the breath in any way, we're just being aware of it and the feeling associated with breathing. If you feel comfortable with it, observe it deep down in your belly, expanding and relaxing with each in-breath and out-breath. Simply being totally here with each moment and each breath. You're not trying to do anything, you're just simply being aware of your breathing. Observe each in-breath and each out-breath, a never-ending cycle, as if you were riding the waves of your breathing. Sooner or later, your mind will wander away from the focus of your breath to thoughts, daydreams, worries, future, whatever. This is perfectly okay. This is simply what minds do. Simply remembering that every time your mind has wandered, gently bring it back to right now and observe the flow of your breathing. Use the breath as an anchor in meditation to focus your attention to come back to the present. So whenever your mind is taking you away, whenever you're getting preoccupied, come back to the relaxed awareness of your breath. As you become comfortable with your breath, allow the focus of awareness to expand to include the sense of your body as a whole. Feel the breath from your head to your toes. Be aware of not only your breath, but your body as a whole, sitting here with whatever comes up. Just be totally here in this moment. So of course it happens to all of us that some sensations, some pain, some discomfort in one part of the body is amplified because now your focus is on the body. If it becomes pretty unbearable, you can mindfully shift to a comfortable position or simply be aware of all the sensations in your body as they subside. And again, whenever you notice that your mind's wandering off again, That's okay. That's just what minds do. Bring it back to the anchor of your breathing, to the present moment as you sit here, not going anywhere, not doing anything, just sitting, and be totally with yourself in this moment. Now, as you become comfortable with your breath and your body, let the focus of your awareness expand towards the hearing of sounds within your environment or within yourself. You don't really have to go searching for things to hear. Just focus, expand your awareness outwards, and you'll pick up on different sounds which you haven't been aware of right now, up till now. You're not judging whether you like the sound or not, you're just hearing. Each sound is an event, but it doesn't need to be given a judgment. If you notice that your mind is wandering off from your awareness, just bring it back to the ears, to right now, whatever is here. And once again, as you sit here, allow your focus of awareness to expand, and this time include your thinking. Include all the thoughts as they come into your mind. You're observing the process of thinking. You're seeing every thought that comes in as a thought, as a mental event, just like sound is an event. And you're not judging the thought to be good or bad. Thoughts could be about anything. They could be about the future, the body, feelings, thoughts about thoughts. Whatever they are, just observe as they come and go. Just like one wave is followed by another. Just be aware that your thoughts are coming and going as you sit here. If you find yourself drifting away from the thoughts, just use your breath to bring your focus back to the present and refocus on what the thoughts in my mind are right now. The fears, worries, pressures. And observe these without following them or rejecting them. Just being here in this moment. We began with breathing, then to expanded awareness to the body as a whole, then to the sounds, as well as the thoughts as they come into our minds from time to time. Now let go of all of these, and instead of focusing on just anyone, allow yourself to just sit here in this moment and be with yourself. If thoughts come, observe those. If it's sounds that your attention goes to, observe the sounds. If it's a sensation in your body, notice that. Or if your awareness is being pulled by your breath, then be aware of that. Just sit with yourself in the stillness and calmness of the present. Now slowly you can open your eyes, recognizing that you've taken out time for yourself just to totally be in an awareness of yourself. Mindfulness is really hard to do the first few times that you do it, which is one of the reasons that I did it faster than you would normally do, because, well, most of us would lose our patience if we had to do this for 20 minutes. So the 7 minutes odd that we did it for is probably the most that we'd even be able to do, because it's really hard to focus completely on where I'm sitting right now. The idea is that if we do this even 5 minutes, and there are lots of apps that are doing mindfulness, 5 minutes a day, but we practice it. We practice our ability, we enhance our ability to stop, look at my thoughts, say, okay, these are all the 100 thoughts that are going on in my mind. I can watch them without being engaged with them and without feeling distressed in them. Thoughts are just thoughts. It's the mind's job to make these thoughts. And it could be that we could learn the control to not feel distressed over these thoughts. And that's why mindfulness works. You can reach out to Therapeute with queries related to mental health. And before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our Therapeute channel. Thanks for watching. See you very soon.